Hello children, how are you all? Hope all you are fine. And for class 5 children, today I am going to tell textual exercises from lesson number 6. Class 5 textual exercises, TEXT. Okay, so lesson number 6, India wins freedom. Today I am going to tell textual exercises. First, answer the following. In which year did India become independent? 15th August 1947, India became independent. Okay, 15th August, AUGUST, August 1947. Next, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit, Pandit, Pandit Jawaharlal, Jawharlal, Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. Who was the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India. Dr. Rajendra Rajendra Prasad, Prasad, Prasad. Okay, next, who composed the national anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is he composed the national anthem of India. Next, what is our national song? Vande Mataram is our national song. Vande Mataram, Vandematam. Vande Mataram is our national song. Okay, now turn the page. So page number 256. Here we have checkpoint. Now fill in the blanks. The dash were in favor of strikes and boycotts. Radicals. 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 The radicals were in favor of strikes and boycotts. The radicals were in favor of strikes and boycotts. Next, Aurobindo Ghosh was a dash leader, revolutionary leader. REVOLUTIONARY, revolutionary. Aurobindo Ghosh was a revolutionary leader. Aurobindo Ghosh was a revolutionary leader. Next, Gandhiji's method of fighting was called Satyagraha. SATYAGRAHA, Satyagraha. Gandhiji's method of fighting was called Satyagraha. General Dyer fired at the people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh. General Dyer fired at the people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh. JALLIAN, Jallianwala, WALA, Jallianwala Bagh, BAGH, Jallianwala Bagh. Okay, now turn the page. Here, word to know. Boycott, refuse to buy or deal with. Here, goods made in England. Next, revolutionary, one who believes in using force to bring about a change. One who believes in using force to bring about a change. Next, racist policy, unfair treatment of a particular group or a race of people. Racist policy means unfair treatment of particular group or race of people. Okay, now next, quick recap. The moderates and the radicals were the two groups within the Congress. Moderates and radicals were the two groups within the Congress. Okay, in 1905, Bengal was partitioned to divide the Hindus and Muslims. So, in 1905, Bengal was partitioned to divide Hindus and Muslims. The Swadeshi and boycott movements was launched in protest against partition of Bengal. Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement in 1920. He asked people to use peaceful methods of protest. The Indians boycott the Simon Commission. The Indians boycotted the Simon's Commission. The Indians boycotted the Simon Commission. The Congress demanded Purna Swaraj in 1929. The government demanded Purna Swaraj in 1929. Soon after, the civil disobedience movement was launched. Soon after, the civil disobedience movement was launched. Okay, next, the Quit India movement was launched in 1942. When this Quit India movement was launched, this Quit India movement was launched in the year 1942. The British were asked to leave India. So India became free on 15th August 1947. India became free on 15th August 1947. Here, read and answer. Tick the correct answer. So here they gave 4 questions they have given. For each question they also given options. You need to tick the correct option. Okay. First one, opposition to the partition of Bengal lead to Swadeshi and boycott movement, Quit India movement, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, non-cooperation movement. Opposition of partition of Bengal lead to the Swadeshi and boycott movement. Tick option A. Tick option A. Okay. Next, disobeying laws peacefully was the main objective of the civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, Swadeshi and boycott movement. Non-cooperation movement. Option B, non-cooperation movement. Okay. Next, the Indian National Army was led by Jawaharlal Nehru, Veer Savarkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, so option D, tick beside option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. The Indian National Army was led by Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, the first president of independent India was Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru. So, the first president of India, first president of independent India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option B, tick beside option B. Next one. Next, write the years in which these events occurred. Partition of Bengal 1905. Partition of Bengal in the year 1905. Next, Jallianwala Bagh massacre 1919. 1919 it was occurred. 1919, in the year 1919 these Jallianwala Bagh massacre was occurred. Next, non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement was occurred in the year 1920. 1920 this non-cooperation movement was occurred. Next, civil disobedience movement occurred in the year 1930. Civil disobedience movement was occurred in the year 1930. Quit India movement was occurred in the year 1942. Quit India movement occurred in the year 1942. Next, India gets freedom in the year 1947. In the year 1947, India gets freedom. Okay. Next, next, do and learn. Split between the moderates and the radicals in the year 1947 in the place Surat. Split between the moderates and radicals was started. Next, Janagana Mana sung for the first time in the 1911 Calcutta. In Calcutta, this Janagana Mana song was, they sang this Janagana Mana. Okay. Next, Purna Swaraj resolution passed in the year 1929 at the place Lahore, Lahore, Lahore. Okay. Next, Revolution on Fundamental Rights passed in the year 1931 Karachi. 1931 Karachi. Yes. So, this is all about today's class, children. So, we have completed portion in the semester 1. Hope all you have understand, learn thoroughly and attend for the Google test. Okay. Regularly attend for the Google exams. Okay. See you in the next class, children. Bye.